I'm behind the Lambo right now. I'm with my boy Jeff. So one of Jeff's top first e-commerce students when it comes to drop shipping, he's about to buy a BMW i8 right now. Fucking insane, dude, insane. So he's about to buy a BMW i8. So we're on our way to the dealership, on our way to Eurocar. We got the Lambo, we got the GTR. We're gonna congratulate him, celebrate him, because this is a big, big moment in his life. And I hope all you guys watching this right now can have that moment where you're going in an exotic car to go congratulate your friend that's getting an exotic car too. We traveled the world with him. You know, I've been literally everywhere with this kid now. It's crazy because Jeff just got him as a student not too long ago. But yeah, so we still got at the dealership. Alright, we just pulled up the Eurocar right now. If you can see, that's Nick's old car, that Benz right there. So he had a C63. I think he got that like, when did he get that? He got that a little bit before I got the GTR actually. And that was a big deal when he copped that. I was like, holy shit, you know, making that ECOM money, he copped the Benz, and now he's already upgrading like 9-10 months later. So we just pulled up the Eurocar right now. Nick's about to get his I-8. I think he's signing the papers right now or something like that. But dude, so important to come to places like this, to visualize. You guys seen some of my old videos. You guys see I go to the McLaren dealership a lot. The next whip, I'm actually gonna get here. I just talked to one of the guys at work here. He's like, I got you, like put you on game. So gonna get a McLaren here in probably a few more months. But it's just important to come to these places, visualize, like figure out what cars you want, and set an actual goal, set a deadline. You know, figure out what you need to do to get that car. You know, if you don't like, what's it called, extrinsic stuff, find something that does motivate you. You know, it's not always about the materialistic stuff, but fuck, this shit looks sick. You can't lie about that. You know, everyone always talks about, you know, Lamborghini, you know, this little guru shit, but like, these are dope. And I understand why these internet marketers get Lamborghinis, man. So, find a place to visualize. Alright, so Nick's going on a test drive right now on the i8. It's pretty much murdered out, dark gray, black wheels, doors go up. Hopefully he likes it.
Doors go up, dude.
Done deal.
I think I might have to go see what we can do on this thing.
Just handle it, man.
Alright, Peter, let's go talk the numbers.
Let's do it.
Close it, Peter.
Already closed himself.
Come on. Like a third in sport? Alright.
I think this is the better buy for you, bro.
This thing's so sick. I think I might get this one. The R8's been the car for a while, but this thing's just crazy. Alright, Peter, let's go talk the numbers.
Let's do it. There you go.
Yeah, let's do it.
Ready to buy your car, bro?
It's time to go, you know. You ready to make a deal? How you doing, man? Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Alright, so we're gonna sign your life away. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
This is the new purchase of your 2016 BMW i8.
Okay.
Purchase for $95,000 even. $80 for your documents, $50 for the smog. Sales tax $9,037. That's the grand total, $106,447. So I need you to sign all the highlighted areas, please.
All right. Moment of truth. No going back. Last one.
All right, brother. So
Oh, man.
I'm gonna give you your copy and you're all set.
Awesome.
All right, Nick.
Thanks.
Thanks,
Appreciate
man.
it. Have a good day.
You have a good one, man. Enjoy it.
All right. It's officially mine. To think a year ago, I drove a $25,000 car, and when I bought it, I was like, man, I'm really pushing it. And I just bought my first $100,000 car. Guys, it's official. Yep. Dude, look at that thing. Hey, what's up, Peter?
Yo, what's up, man? I'm pulling up right now.
Car's ready. So, went from that C63, which a year ago it was a Hyundai Sonata, to this baby. Check this thing out. If somebody told me a year ago I'd be driving a true exotic car, 12 months of taking e-commerce seriously, I totally would have not believed them. I used to watch guys buy these cars and be like, dang, what were they doing? And then I realized if I really wanted this and believed I could have it too. You know, in the last 12, 13 months, I decided that e-commerce was something I always loved. It was something I was going to take seriously. I made the right moves. I hung around the right people. I worked my ass off. And now, a little over a year later, this is mine. You know, my words to you is whatever it is you want, whether it's a car, whether it's to go on vacation, buy a new house, whatever, set a goal and go after it, and don't let anybody stop you.
Congratulations, man.
All right.
Good to go, bro.
You gotta shut that door, bro. I'm out of here.
All right, man.
Good morning, YouTube. I'm here with my boy, Nick Fitzgerald. I'm super fucking stoked for him. He just copped a BMW i8, which absolutely blows my mind because we met like maybe what, 6-7 months ago?
Yeah.
So yeah, we met maybe like 6 or 7 months ago, and I saw on my buddy Jeff's Snapchat, this is my buddy Jeff's car, I saw on his Snapchat that he just copped like a C63 AMG from starting e-commerce and dropshipping, and you've been doing it for like how long back then?
At that point, it was only like 6 months. The car that I traded is actually right behind us. So
Yeah, if you want to look at his old car right here.
That's the old one.
Yeah, and so I saw on Jeff's Snapchat that he was picking that up, and I was like, damn, dude, he just got started, just started dropshipping, just started making money online, and he's already copped the C63, he's already crushing it, already killing it. Long story short, we ended up becoming super good friends. We traveled the world together. We've been a lot of places together, a lot of places. We started calling him Father ECOM. He's actually starting a YouTube channel too, so I'll put the link for his YouTube channel in the description if you guys want to follow him. But just a quick few questions, bro. Or tell the people watching right now a little bit about yourself, a little bit about your journey, and what it took to really get here. Because dude, you were driving what, Hyundai a year ago?
Yeah, so like 12 months ago, I was driving a Hyundai Sonata. It's like a $25,000 car with all the upgrades.
Yeah.
And, I kind of started, I've tried the entrepreneur stuff, I've done a couple little things here and there, and then I was in the Army for like 5 years, and when I got out, I was like, no way can I just like work a normal job, but I did work a couple of jobs when I first got out just to, have some income, and I just like, entrepreneur-wise, I would try things.
Yeah.
Like, and I'm sure at some point in life you did this where where you like tried something, you might have made a little bit of money, but like it didn't explode like you wanted it to, so you just moved on to the next
I kind of gave up and tried to find something else.
Tried multiple MLMs, Forex, you name it, like I probably tried it, and you know what, none of it really worked, and it never like continued to grow to like the point that I wanted it to.
Yeah.
And I would say the biggest factor there is I wasn't consistent long enough.
Okay.
I would work really hard, I'd work my ass off on something for like a month. But that's only a month.
Yeah.
Like, you got to give it time to develop and grow. So, I told myself, I was like, when I start dropshipping, I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to stick with it for a good solid year at least. Like, without like focusing on other stuff and really commit my time in.
Right.
That, I would say that's the biggest difference, is I worked my ass off every single day for, 13 months now.
Yeah.
And this is the results of it. So 6 months of results is over there.
Yeah.
A year of results is over here. Not to mention, I live in like the biggest penthouse in my apartment complex. I now drive the nicest car, and
Travel.
I live in LA, so it's not a cheap place to live. Like, you know, and a year and a half ago, I was living in Texas, where it's super cheap to live, driving a Hyundai Sonata. Like, and they don't even have cars like this in the town that I was in.
Yeah. And I feel like that's crazy, dude, because I feel like a lot of people, that's what they do. They give up after like a month or two. They don't see results right away. They're not making the money that they think. You know, they see people like us, you know, with nice cars, you know, at a young age, and then they're like, dude, like, you know, like, I haven't got results over a month. I'm gonna quit. I can't do it. Whatever it is.
You see the result. I mean, you guys see the video. You see the pictures. Like, once the work's already been done, you guys are seeing like the results of the work. So don't be fooled that like you can just like, oh, I'm gonna go sign up for this guy's program and I'm gonna drive the car that he does, like, you know, next month. That's not how it works. You know, any business, you're most likely not gonna sign up for something and, you know, make 10 grand profit your first month. It can happen, but it's pretty damn rare.
Yeah.
But if you put in the work consistently over an extended period of time, then you can get those results that you're looking for. So I'd say the biggest advice, consistency over an extended period of time.
Yep.
Because that's what I didn't do, and as soon as I changed that, everything changed.
Everything changed.
Yep.
Everything changed. So that's it, you guys, right here. You heard it here first. Nick with the i8.
Go for a spin, bro?
Yeah, I'm down.
Right,
Let's get it. The coolest part about this is the doors go up. He almost got the Audi R8, but I was like, dude, the doors, like, come on.